Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. This video will help you install Homebrew on macOS. Advanced Mac users may appreciate using the Homebrew package manager, which greatly simplifies the process of installing command line software and tools on a Mac. Requirements for installing Homebrew on macOS. Prerequisites to installing Homebrew on a Mac include the following. A Mac running macOS X 10.10 or later, though earlier versions are sort of supported. Command line tools must be installed on the Mac, either independently or through Xcode. Knowledge of the command line and using Bash or ZSH. Assuming you are interested in installing Homebrew and meet those requirements, then the rest is equally straightforward. Open the terminal application. First of all, you need command line tools to install Xcode. On a modern Mac OS X system, you can install it by running the following command in a terminal command line window. You can also install the full Xcode app from Apple if you like, but it takes up more storage space on your Mac and isn't necessary. Next, install Homebrew. Hit return and you'll see a series of lines about what the script will install and where. Hit return again to agree, or hit escape to cancel. Enter the administrator password, required by sudo execution, to begin the installation. Run the following command when you're done to make sure Homebrew is installed and working properly. Once you're done, run the following command to install Homebrew Cask. It uses Homebrew to install Cask. To search for a package, run the following command. Installing packages with Homebrew is super easy, just use the following syntax. To remove a package from the system, run the following command. For example, to install Vue through Homebrew you could use the following syntax.